Hey guys, Phil here from STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Wickham for Wickham the final part. Front 4 cars of this V-set, V30, rear 4 cars, V47. It's a Newcastle service stopping all stations. I'm currently standing on platform 2. Righto, I'm going to read out who requested this vlog, and there's a lot of people. 4 of these worth. Anyway, righto, to start off with, first system card out of 4. Anthony Azzopardi, JLL, Forever Gamer, Stephen Kiossian, Tim Pout, Sydney Trains Lover 117, Hungry Bone Gaming, Hunterline Vlogs, Henry Lim, Justin Lai, Darcy Reynolds, Davin White, Sydney Trains and New South Wales Trainlink, James the Trainer, Sonic Buster X2000, Kids Craft Cast, Siemens Trains Vlogs. I just changed system cards. Cutlass 22974, Jude Gaming 18, Sydney Trains on Location, Debbie Tanner, Cap Tiger, Jaden Melham, The Opal Adventures, Sunny Yan, Ultimate Rager, Jed Supple, Mini Miners, Al Jeffy, Liam Vertigan, Joshua Anderson, Awesome 10, William Varga, Patrick Donnelly, Carl 2901, Liam Higgs, 1995 stock, Michael Unan. I don't know if you actually requested this, but I know you commented on the video, so I'll just give you a shout out anyway, mate. Shane Tissington, Lachlan Walsh, Dr. D. Ryan, TJ Arthur 100, Lachlan Mitchell, The Life of Jaden Mellon, Connor Brady, Travis Holmes, Matthew Veloso, Joe's Gaming Network, Ruben Silvera, Thomas Smith Dean, Avon Link 484, Sandshark 23, Leyland Fraser, Luke Volsig, Comment 998 Railway Videos, Opal Kid, Sydney and New South Wales Transport Vlogs, Transit Sydney, Riley EF, Quantum Infinite, Thomas Bullock, Mike Blubber, The Mate, and Sam Loomy. Alright, if anyone hears their name and it's pronounced wrong, just let me know in the comments, and yeah, just type it in a way so I can, you know, pronounce it easy, because I don't want to get anyone's name wrong. Okay, now, as you guys obviously know, I'm at Wickham, standing on platform 2. From the 25th, it's supposed to be Boxing Day this year, so in about a week's time, the Newcastle line between Broadmeadow and Newcastle will close. And on the 5th of January, the line will reopen as far as Hamilton. Now, apparently this will mean the permanent closure of Wickham Civic and Newcastle. Wickham will either be getting rebuilt at a slightly different location or maybe the same location, or it'll just be getting a really huge upgrade, because the new transport interchange and new station here at Wickham is supposed to open in 2016, so that's going to take over a year to do, so obviously something big's going to happen. So I'm taking this opportunity to do the last part for this vlog, just like I did with Civic and with Newcastle. I know I did Newcastle the final part, but on Christmas Day I may be going there, well, I should be going there to do Newcastle the final day, and hopefully, fingers crossed, film the last train. So yeah, I won't be doing any requests for that, so yeah. Okay, so trains you'll see here will be Intercity V sets, Oscar H sets, Hunter J sets, and Endeavour N sets. So hoping to get a few of those kind of trains in this vlog, so yeah, enjoy. Got a Hunter set approaching. The set is J5. V47 being the front four cars, V30 being the rear four, now departing platform number 1 here at Wickham, Sydney Terminal Service. Sunlight's not too good on platform number 1, so I'm going to move over to platform number 2 very shortly. Alright, see you guys on platform number 2. Hunter set J1 now arriving into platform 2 here at Wickham, Newcastle service, stopping at Civic and Newcastle only. Endeavour set N1 departing platform number 1. Not too sure where it's going. Got an Oscar approaching platform 1, Sydney Terminal Service, the front 4 cars H54, the second newest Oscar in service. Oscar H54 and the rear half I'll tell you very shortly. Now departing platform number 1. Central Sydney Terminal Service. This train will stop all stations to Berowra, then Hornsby, Epping, Eastwood, Strathfield and Central. The rear 4 cars H40. Got Newcastle bound Oscars now approaching platform number 2 here at Wickham. H30 is the set. Oscar H30 now departing platform 2 Newcastle service, stopping Civic and Newcastle only. We've got a V set approaching platform number 2, Newcastle service, stopping at Civic and Newcastle. Looks like a 4-car set. And that set is V38. V38 is the set. V38 is now departing platform number 2, Newcastle service, stopping all stops. Hunter J5 arriving into platform number 1, platform number 1, Talara service. Hunterset J5 now leaving platform 1 Talara service. Stopping all stations to Mayland, then Talara. Newcastle bound Endeavour approaching platform number 2. Yeah, okay. Hello again. Approaching platform 2 here at Wickham. The set is N4. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and favourite the video. Thank you all for watching, I really appreciate it. Bye for now.